2019 Ford Ranger. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.